This 2023 Winnebago Travato 59K is a Class B RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago and features a blue, indigo, WEATHERE interior, sleeps 2, and 18 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B RV features rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors. This 2023 Winnebago Travato 59K is built on a Ram ProMaster chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.